Horses out, we have Sharon's Rose past the begin, Sibasi moving a party out, so now she's inspired. Baby Jade comes next, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, and going along for the first turn, Sibasi is running by Drella, and on the outside she's inspired, 3 lengths away in third. Watching them is Baby Jade, Sharon's Rose is racing in fourth, and Gusto Ko, Happy Ka trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Sibasib, she's inspired. Now takes the lead by Abranegta. Down on the inside is Sibasib. Baby Jade still in third, and Gusto Ko, Happy Ka in fourth. Sharon's Rose. Sibasib, she's inspired, parting it out for the lead. Baby Jade now trying to get closer in third. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Sharon's Rose. Sibasib, she's inspired, is on the outside. Then here comes Baby Jade now trying to get closer in third. Sharon's Rose in fourth. Then comes Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. Sibasib, she's inspired. Baby Jade is on the outside third. Sharon's Rose in fourth. Then followed by Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. Sibasib still in front on the outside. She's inspired. Sharon's Rose, Baby Jade is on the outside. But it's still Sibasib followed by Sharon's Rose. She's inspired. It's now Sharon's Rose. A long shot, and finally Sharon's Rose. Second, Sibasib. Then comes number 3, Baby Jade. She's inspired. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka.
Pinakadehado, Sharon's
Right, Bayang Karirisa, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating awarding presentation dito sa Manila Horsepower Racing Festival, kung saan isang dehado po ang bumulaga sa atin dito sa race number 2, and this is the Amber's Best Cup, an imported A and B group race won by Sharon's Rose. At ngayon, papakilala natin sa inyo, ano ba itong Amber's Best? Ito ay matagal nang sumusuporta sa Manila Horsepower Organization. Napakasarap po ng restaurant yan. Diyan lang yan sa may bandang Makati. Kung kayo napapasyal sa bandang Chino Roses Avenue, ayan. Kung gusto nyo ng kakaning Pinoy at saka masarap na pichi-pichi, Amber's Best lang ang pupuntahan ninyo. Alright? At syempre, kasama pa rin natin magpe-present ang naggagandahang mga beautiful ladies ng Club 999 OTB. Diyan yan, saan mabanda ang Club 999 OTB?
Airport Road, sir.
Alright, and your name, ma'am?
I'm Faye.
Alright, Faye. Welcome, Keith. Ito, kilala niyo lahat to. Madalas nakikita natin to. Si Emily. Emily, ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Gagwapo.
Alright. Oh, welcome, Keith. Neki Caballero. Welcome, Keith. Oh, ha? Alright, tatawagin na natin yan ang representative ng winning owner, si Mr. E.G. Mundo, represented by the veteran trainer, Mr. Dabe de la Cruz. Sir, come on down. At yan po, tatanggap siya ng trophy galing sa Manila Horsepower. Ang dami na siguro ang trophy ni Boss Dabe. Kuya Dabe, ano masasabi mo sa panalo mo?
at samba lang yan.
Sabi ko na nga ba, yan ang sasabihin nila, laging nakachampa. Very humble ang ating mga horse owners and trainers. Inaasahan niyo ba itong si Sharon's Rose?
Yan sa akin, timbangan lang. Nakaraos ang nakuha yung unahan. Kaya tingin ko chamba lang.
Yan ang kinagaganda ng karera. Minsan liamado, minsan dehado. Yan ang excitement ng karera. Ano ba ang pangalan ng ating sota nitong si Sharon's Rose?
Si Ricardo Magpantay, baka ko na lang kukuha na.
Ricardo Magpantay, whether you like it or not, dahil wala ka dito, ibibigay pa rin namin ang bisikleta at siguradong Boss Dabe, mapapakinabangan niya dito sa kwadra.
Okay, sige.
Right, final words po para sa ating mga bisita ngayon.
Congratulations sa Manila Horsepower, sa Horsepower.
At maraming salamat din, congratulations to... Asan yung bisikleta? Ibigay natin. Ayan, eto. Ayan, na-focus ba ng camera natin si cameraman Harry Daza? Alright, ibibigay na lang ni Mr. Dabe de la Cruz itong napakagandang mountain bike sa trainer na si...
Dalawa, Ricky Magpantay sa si Lumar.
yung trainer, yung ano pala, yung sota natin. Alright, sana mapakinabangan ninyo itong mountain bike courtesy of Manila Horsepower. Bayang Karidisa, magbabalik po tayo mamaya para naman sa race number 3, and that is the Go Beyond Interior Sota Cup. Dito naman na sa ating next race ay tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos plus mountain bike and a medal yung ating mananalong kabayo. Kung sino man ang sota ng mananalong kabayo, iyan, may cash pa. Boss Ding, okay ba? Alright, we will be back for race number 3. Keep it here on your racing channel. This is the Manila Jockey Club, San Lazaro Leisure Park.